Oh, hi guys. Welcome to another episode of On the Bank with me, Michael Rivers. Today we're going up north to do some long trotting for some grayling. Outside chance of a barbel, so I have packed the rods. Today we're going to be joined by my legendary friend, Rory, who is a very novice fisherman and good at catching trees. But let's see if we can teach you the methods using him and see if we can teach him a thing or two as well along the way. This should be a good one. And here he is, the novice fisherman, Rory.
Welcome.
We're in our stink pit for the next couple of days, and we're going to start the weekend.
Couple of marmalade and vanilla vodkas.
I
lines.
brought cans of Stella. There's a lot of vodka in there, not much marmalade. That's good. Right, we'll see you on the bank.
My name is Rory and I'm here to say, got a 10-pound trout, it's coming your way. Whoa! Triple slide.
Off-road clearly requires four-wheel drive.
Taxi for one.
You're filming me, I'm supposed to be... Good to go. So, we're trotting for grayling today. It's going to be very simple. Power waggler. So, keeping it very simple today. Trotting for grayling. Going to be fishing stick float down to a 3-pound hook link and a size 16 hook. Bait. Every all-round angler's favourite mixture of maggots and unintentionally casters, as obviously the bait shop I go to is whack. And then if we see some better fish like a chub or a bubble, we're going to be fishing some lovely dendrobina worms. Let's get on the bank, see if we can get one. Is in.
Easy does it.
What we've got here, oh, it's a little rainbow trout. Whoa. You're joking me. Look at this, folks. Wiry thing. Look at that.
Ma Rainey.
So we've got this pool coming out here, streams over there into the rapids. Look at that. Fighting fit. Beautiful.
And away.
Boom. Lovely. I can't tell you where we are, I'd love to, but the fact that there's rainbow trout here is a clue. They're wild. What a Rory with his...
Here she goes.
What was it?
That was my first grayling, and it's important to remember, nothing is permanent in this world. You might think you held on to something, but in the end, they always return to where they should be.
Grayling today. First fish. This is my best kept grayling today. Don't do that, please. Don't do it to me. Oh my lord, look at the colours on this fish. Such tough little mouths. That, my friends, is an absolute beauty. The lady of the stream. Look at the colours on the dorsal fin. And that's what gives it so much power in that flow. Oh, steady. Such a small, underslung mouth. Oh, steady girl. They're just like a bar of soap. That's the way you keep them over water. It just doesn't get any better. Throw her back, shall we? Just want one look at that. Oh, not going to get it. Look at that. Look at the colours on that. Fantastic. And away she goes. That's my best, that's a PB. Yes! Oh, heck. We're not sponsored by the sausage rolls.
The sausage is sponsored by us.
So,
Sausages, sponsored by Rory and Michael.
give us your lowdown. How's the river fishing?
Well, it was a good start. Productive. Couple of fish each. Michael's got a grayling. I got my first grayling.
Did we see it?
Few rainbow trout. We saw it. We might have lost it along the way. I think we're going to take a different approach now. It's time to slow down and go deep.
What he says is actually right, even though it sounds horrible and disgusting. It is. I think we need deeper water. The river's different from when we last fished it. We need to find those deep pools and just find 7 or 8 feet and see what's in there, because it's definitely a different beast. Last time we fished this was in summer, so first, a sausage song. He's in, he's in, he's in. Ooh, it's a beautiful grayling. Let me get down. I'll get it. Oh, it's a beauty, Rory, it's a beauty. Oh, it's a beauty. Easily your best grayling. Player 2. So Rory's second grayling, and definitely
Look at her.
look at that. Look at the colours on that.
fin.
I mean, it's dark. Right, Rory, move.
Hey,
Steady.
steady now.
Beautiful.
She's coming up to a
Beautiful.
pound and a half.
Yeah, I'd give you £1.50 for that. Oh,
Hey,
got it.
tiger.
He's got it. He's got it.
Hey,
Do you want to release it, Roz?
yeah, she's going straight back in. She's still got a lot of fight left in her. I'm gonna have to lower her in.
He's turned into Bear Grylls, and you know what you're doing. That's
There
it.
she is. I'm just gonna hold her.
What a fish.
Let her go. Give her belly a little rub
Yeah, tickling.
until she's feeling good.
And away.
And away she goes.
Rory, that's a really good fish.
Wow. Happy Hanukkah.
Margaret,
Just lovely hotel room to myself.
I seem to be stuck between the beds, Margaret. I seem to have found myself in a little bit of trouble with the double bed, Margaret.
Let's go fishing.
Round 2, baby. Taxi for 1.
You're filming me, I'm supposed to be...
I don't remember many fish coming to me. And we're just... Rory's caught something.
It's good to get a nice early catch in. Some nice merino wool. About £1.50.
Amazing he is at catching trees and himself. Ah, good start. So we're in the magic hour, as I call it. But one thing I'd like to suggest to anyone maggot trotting is one of these. It took me ages to get a maggot pouch. There's a few worms in there, and you can just ping them in as you're casting, like a match fisherman. And yeah, it just makes a world of difference. So get yourself to the good old Amazon delivery. I think we're into another little rainbow here. Whoa, wiry fish. In you come. There we go. £10 to dunk that in there. You won't take it, will you? It's not enough.
20.
No way, you can't negotiate. It's £10.
Tenner.
All in one mouthful though. Real big dunk, please. I want the whole. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Don't burn your mouth.
£10, please. It's starting to turn to jelly.
Yeah. You're not through it yet. Just swallow it like a duck. Don't choke. Round 2. Fucking gravel. Top of the range, that. That's not really. Nice. Let that steam off a bit. So, first fish of the... It's a rainbow trout. Alright. So, beautiful little rainbow trout here. Not the target species, but welcome all the same. So, disgorger, always carry one with you. Oh, it's my... Lunch is served. How's it going so far today, Roars?
Well,
Bit too much wine last night, or are we good?
I think we're all right. We're bouncing back.
Take the edge off.
A couple of lovely rainbows this morning. I think these steaks will feed us through for the afternoon.
Oh, look. Oh.
We're gonna go chasing these fish.
We're going to get them for you guys. We're hoping for anything over £3. We've tried a bit of ledgering. It's just not really the river for it. Trotting's the way forward. And we've got an audience.
Stunning.
Into something here. Oh, nice. I think it's a brown trout. Staying deep, not like a small rainbow trout. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hello.
Lovely brownie. Oh, no, it might be a rainbow. Oh, that's beauty. Whoa! Just bring her into this bank here. Steady. Come on, that's a beauty. That is a beauty. Oh my God. Oh, hello. Oh, wow. Look at that fish. £2 line. Doesn't get any better than that. Beautiful colours on it. And the way you know it's a game fish is by this little fin here. That's the difference between a coarse fish and a game fish. Big teeth in it. Red spots, beautiful. Put it back. Quality. Is it grayling?
Nope.
Another. Can you get any more quintessentially British than that? Miniature version. Still just perfect, isn't it?
Come here, you pesky wee bitch. Step into my office, baby. I want to give you the job.
Oh, it's a nice brown.
Overtime. Set my place at 9. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, bloody hell. Keep that on, Roars. This is a good fish, isn't it?
I'll say. Oh. She won't come easy.
Just play it easy. Calm.
Hey.
Oh, keep that rod tip up. Oh my God. I got to come and help you.
What is happening?
This is big. Rory, this is a big fish. Don't pull. This is big. You're going to lose it, aren't you?
Almost certainly.
Rory, in here. Just take your time with it. Take your time. Rainbow.
Okay, lovely. Ooh. Can't get too excited yet. I have a tendency to let these go.
Your favourite thing to catch is trees. And this is a fish. How does it compare?
It just doesn't have the same character.
God, this has put up a good scrap, hasn't it?
Good on you.
Oh, keep that. Oh, what a fish. This has been magic. This has been absolutely magic.
Oh.
This is a man who doesn't know how to fish, playing a fish like a pro. Well, we'll see. Bring it in then, Roz. Don't rush. Rory?
Look at this lovely brown.
How did you catch it?
Straight in, just nicked him on the side, and then we were talking 8-10 minutes to bring him in. Just had so much fight in him, and every time he came close, he looked me in the eye and said, "Not today." But here he is.
Look at the size of the mouth on that.
Stunning.
Look at the mouth, look at the teeth on that. Oh, ow. Look at that. That is the last thing a fly will see.
We're in the fish. Mwah.
Put him in, hold him by the tail, and what you want to do is make sure they're nice and strong before they go back. So when he kicks, he'll let you know when he's ready. He's got recovery. Put up a good account of himself. And look how camouflaged they are. Look at that. I think that's a perfect time to go to the pub.
Boom.
If we do get another, I want another cast, obviously, but if not, hope you've enjoyed that. Have you enjoyed that?
Loved it.
Fantastic river fishing. We're into a big fish here. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Oh my God, what is that? Is that grayling? This is where we can fish. Oh, look at the bend in the rod. Only got 2 pound line now. Ooh. No way, what is that? You just can't beat float fishing. Ooh, it's a chub. I think it's a chub. I think it's a actual freshwater. It is, it's a chub. It's a decent chub.
Do you want me to net it or are you going to drag it?
I get it. Oh, it's a beauty. Oh, it's a nice sized chub as well. I didn't even know they were in here. Oh, look at this. Look at the mouth on that. Come on. Come on, you. That is a beauty. That's probably every bit of 3 pounds. And just look at the mouth of these. They're so greedy. Big white lips. Have you ever seen one of these, Rory?
I never will again.
Chub!
Chub, chub, chub,
Roars!
chub.
I knew that was fighting
You
different. I
beauty!
knew that was fighting different.
Whoa!
We're all going back, so it doesn't matter. I'm not going to make such a song and dance about this one as Rory did. 20 minutes. Look at beautiful, lean fish. Quite small. It's an eating machine. Just look at the markings on that. Like a bar of marble. This is why we come fishing in the evening, look. It doesn't get much better. Slip it back. We're not going for a curry yet. Trotting maggots, that's all the method was. Swivel to 3 pound line. A few grayling, a few browns, a few rainbows, and a surprise chub.
Not bad for 2 days' work.
Now let's go and get a pathia. Hope you've enjoyed that as much as we have. See you next time. Birds? Ooh, they're in the distance.